morning. This is Dr. S. Prince Samuel, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Biomedical Engineering at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. SNS College of Technology is the first Indian institution to implement the design thinking framework in the entire curriculum. In today's class, I am going to discuss about the smart fabrics. The subject name is Wearable Technologies. Before going into smart fabrics, you have to know what is wearable technologies. Wearable technology means it is nothing but a technology which uses some kind of wearable devices to monitor several parameters of our human body. This wearable technology was developed in the year around 1995 and in the 2026 scenario it grows to a wide extent. So, what is meant by smart fabrics? The smart fabric means we use some kind of clothes, for example t-shirts, pants, normal t-shirts which are used as a life-saving equipment. For example, these t-shirts will be attached to different kinds of sensors. For example, it may be a pressure sensor, motion sensor, temperature sensor, strain sensor to monitor the parameters of our human body. So, how this readings are recorded means using some kind of embedded technology, the parameters, the different signals from our body are sent to the microcontroller or the processor. The microcontroller is nothing but a device which consists of many inbuilt technologies. For example, the analog to digital converters, digital to analog converters. Different ports are there where the sensors are attached. The processing takes place inside the microcontroller and it is stored in the microcontroller for also future use. Once the processed data, it can be sent to the output module. From the output module, we can transfer to a communication module. For example, communication module means there are different types of technologies. For example, Bluetooth technology, even Wi-Fi technology can also be used. Like with GSM modules can be used to transfer the data. This stored data is transferred to the family doctor or to the family hospital whom they are attached with. If any variations take place inside the body, immediately the treatment or the alarming will be given and the treatment can be started. So this signal processing unit plays a very important vital role because generally these microcontrollers, they can work according to our need. What kind of program we can feed into it. There are different types of microcontroller. For example, the basic microcontroller is Arduino microcontroller and we can go up to Raspberry Pi microcontroller, ARM Cortex microcontroller, depending upon how many sensors we need to attach to this smart fabric system. Depending upon the sensors count, the signal processor or the signal conditioning circuit to be analyzed, because when we store these signals into this microcontroller, there may be other kind of environmental signals attached to this. We have to do the filtration process. When we speak about the terms filtration, if we speak in general, there are two different types of filters: slow pass filter, side pass filter, band pass and butterfly filter. But since we are dealing signals with related to medical, we have to use the filter such that it gives the high accuracy, maximum up to 99.98%, because whatever readings you are taken are related to a human body. So the reading should be, because if any fault occurs, it may cause fatigue to the system, because we are dealing with the medical parameters. The treatment has to be done based on the signals. The doctors has to prescribe the tablets based on these signals. Whether, for example, if you speak about the blood pressure, one is the systolic blood pressure and this is the diastolic pressure. Whether the person gets high blood pressure during the afternoon session or morning session or evening session, or throughout the day, his pressure is varying. All these parameters have to be monitored using this kind of sensors. Pressure and sugar, they play a vital role in monitoring the smart fabric system, because there are some kind of diseases which we require long treatment. For example, if we take a skin disease or oncology based cancer disease, these kind of diseases are not essentially to be treated immediately. Their treatment process depends upon minimum of 6 months to a maximum of 1 year. So these are life-saving equipment. The smart fabrics are nothing but they are life-saving equipments which can save the life of even elderly people or a youth can use these kind of smart fabrics. Thank you.